Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on iPhone after the iOS 17 update. So let's get started. So here we are in our iPhone, and the first thing that we will be doing is to restart our iPhone right here. So to restart our iPhone, we simply need to hold down our power button and our volume buttons right here at the side of our phone, and once you do that, this would appear right here. So you would need to slide the power button right here so that you can power off your phone. But after that, you need to turn it on, so you would need to hold on your power button again so that you would be able to turn it on. And after you have turned it on right here, then you can test out if there is now sound coming out from your iPhone or not. Then if there is no sound still that is coming out from your iPhone, then you can try the next step, which is by simply disconnecting your headphones. So to disconnect your headphones, you can just simply go into your control center and then activate the plane mode. In this way, every wireless connections would be turned off right here, your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, and so on. So if there is something that is connected into your phone via a cord, then you might want to unplug it from your phone first. And after that, you can test out and see if the problem has been solved, if there is no sound coming out from your iPhone. And if not, then you can proceed to the next step. So let's just turn it on right here. And the next step would be going into your settings right here. And from here, you want to go into the general tab. So from here, you want to go click here on general right there, and then from here you want to go into software update, because you would need to update your device right here in order for you to have the latest update here in iOS, so that you won't have any errors in your basic features here in your iPhone. So I recommend that you click on update now if you have an update available in your software update. And now once you have done that and the problem is still not working, then I suggest that you go down to the bottom of the settings right here. Or you can go here in the general, by the way, I'm sorry. You can go in general, and then you want to go at the bottom right here, and you can click here or tap here on transfer or reset iPhone. And then from here, you can go in, click on reset. And from here, you want to click on reset all settings right here. And after that, you would be able to have a fresh settings, and that might be able to solve your problem. So yeah, that are all the steps that I can give you in order for you to solve the no sound error on iPhone. Thank you for watching.